Hi, this is Miss Kelly. This week we'll be starting lesson 16. Some new things we're going to be adding this week to our writing are transition words. Each of you will have your own copy of transition words to use as you're writing. Here are some examples for first. Instead of saying first, you could say to begin with, to start off, my number one reason, to kick off, for starters, or first and foremost. Here are some transition words for second. In addition, secondly, furthermore, another example, another reason why. Third, last but not least, furthermore, the last reason, lastly, or the third reason. And for conclusion, to wrap it all up, to summarize, all in all, as a review, in a nutshell, to sum it all up, and you can see why. So you'll each get a copy of these transition words, and I would highly recommend you keep them in your writing folder so you can refer back to these words. All right, so our topic for this week is, what is your favorite game? So the first thing you're going to do is fill out your outline. I've already filled out my outline, so we can just go right into our writing. All right, I chose Uno because it's easy. The rules are easy to follow. That means it's not too complicated. You're just matching the number, color, or action to lay down your cards. People, I like to play with family and friends. And this is the good one, revenge. When you're playing Uno, a lot of times people make you draw four, they change a color, but the cool thing is you get to do it back to them as well. So my A and B is for make someone draw four or to switch a color. I think you can also reverse. That's one of the actions too. All right, so this is my outline. Now I'm going to start with my intro, and I'm going to remember to use some of my transition words. All right, so at the beginning of my intro, I'm going to indent 3 fingers, and I'm going to say, everyone has a favorite game. My favorite game is Uno. Because it is easy, the people I play with and getting revenge. Playing Uno is fun. So now for my reason 1 paragraph, I'm going to refer back to my transition words, and I'm going to pick one of these from the transition words to start my paragraph with. So I'm going to choose my number 1 reason. I'm going to indent again because it's a new paragraph. And I'm going to write my number 1 reason for choosing Uno is because it's easy to play. So now I have to write 2 sentences about my A and 2 sentences about my B. So I'm going to refer back to the rules are easy to follow. So 2 sentences about the rules being easy to follow. So this is a card game where each player has 7 cards. You take turns laying down your cards until you have none. So basically it's a really simple card game. I like it because some card games are too complicated. When I'm playing a game, I just want to have fun, so there's no complicating with Uno. For my part B, I said match number, color, and action. So if a yellow card is down, you can lay down a yellow card, matching number, I'm just going to say or a matching number. There also have wild cards and draw 4 cards that you can play anytime, so I'm going to say you can also play a wild card or draw 4 card anytime. So we'll be staying on favorite game for 2 weeks. This first week you're going to be responsible for your outline, your intro, and your reason 1. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you soon.